Shopify just did something most people won't understand for the next, 6 months. It gave AI agents direct control over our entire online store. Products, orders, inventory, SEO, images, everything freelancers, agencies, and tools used to charge us for. Now, of course, handled by a single prompt. So when you open Claude Code and type, optimize my store for SEO, and this is while of course you're doing something else, the agent goes through every product listing, rewrites descriptions, fixes all text, applies meta tags, verifies everything, and then voila, all done. No fever gig, $2,000 audit, and thankfully, no $200 per month apps. All one needs with this is just one command. This is Shopify's new AI toolkit, a plugin and agent system that connects tools like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, VS Code, Gemini, CLI directly to your Shopify store. This is not read-only, it leverages write access, which means update inventory, add products, modify collections, fix SEO, execute workflows without even logging into Shopify administration. But then there's something that always quantifies these claims, which are the numbers, which will put things into perspective. Shopify powers 5.6 million stores, $378 billion in GMV. And with the introduction of the AI agents, every one of those merchants that I just mentioned has received the operational power of a 5-person team. To illustrate that, a solo founder managing 50 SKUs can now run like a scaled business. And what is flying under the radar is the fact that Shopify is not building the agent. No, what they are going after is the protocol, a layer where Claude, Cursor, Codex, all of them work, and they get the distinction of becoming Shopify native operators. So no matter which AI wins, Shopify still owns the workflow. That's platform leverage. So of course, I have a feeling that, most of you would react differently to this in the comments. But till that happens, let's look at what just got displaced. SEO freelancers, virtual assistants, Shopify app developers, agencies charging retainers. So as you can see, entire categories built around managing a store just lost their moat. And that is because what used to take $500 per month tools, $2,000 audits, $50 per hour human effort now takes a terminal command, which echoes the harsh truth. And this connects to something larger. Shopify has already been betting on agentic shopping, where AI is not just limiting its help to merchants, it is assisting customers discovery and buy, meaning agents will soon decide what gets seen, what gets recommended, and what gets purchased. Discovery becomes merit-based, not ad-based. And this is something even Win Vashisht recently mentioned on front page when I was speaking with him. Please, of course, make sure to check it out if you haven't already. It is a very interesting conversation. If you really want to take more than just a glimpse into how the industry is moving right now. And here it is, the front page take. Needless to say, the game has changed because now it's who understands prompts better, structures data better, and who builds for agents, not humans. And that is, of course, evident with the fact that Shopify collapsed an entire cost structure and replaced it with intelligence. The infrastructure is ready, the tools are live. Now the question is simple: what are you going to build on top of it? Once, of course, you've done that, let us know in the comments below. Oh, by the way, where have I heard that before? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.